This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the right wool and a clean section of hair. Cut a 12-18-inch length of fine wool, fold it to form a doubled strand if needed. Make a 1/4 to 1/2-inch hair subsection and hold it taut between thumb and forefinger. Loop the wool under the hair, then over, creating the first wrap. You do this immediately so the thread catches smooth strands. This tension ensures the wool bites into the hair and prevents slipping as you continue. Continue by making alternating under-over wraps while keeping consistent tension. This forms a continuous thread that removes hair with precision. Once done, slide the wool along the section with a short flicking motion of your wrists so the thread rolls and traps hair at the root. Make steady progress of about 1 to 2 inches per pass, and when the thread tightens, unwind slightly and reposition. Make sure to realign any stray hairs so the thread stays. To finish, knot or wrap the wool end to secure the final threaded line, then gently pull the wool away while maintaining tension to release trapped hairs cleanly. Once done, comb through the section to spot missed hairs and rethread those short areas. If the wool slips or frays, make sure your tension is firmer and consider using a slightly thicker yarn. This increases friction and keeps the thread intact. Remember, calm, controlled movements prevent breakage and give smoother results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.